Good morning, it's MaryEllen from the channel MaryEllen After 60. And today I'm here to do several things, and most of it is just talking. I don't think I'm going to I'm not going to be reviewing anything. I'm just going to talk. And the first thing I want to mention is that on my last giveaway for the Timeless refills that Timeless provided, all 3 people watched the first day, and I already have their names and addresses. I'm filming this on Monday. And I think today is September the 10th. So I'm filming it on Monday. I won't be able to upload this until Thursday because I'll be able to put my giveaway winners in this giveaway. And I will tell you, I am enjoying hearing how you're putting the wants and the needs in a sentence. It is so funny. I enjoy that. I do. It's funny. I would like to announce the winners of my recent giveaway. Both of these palettes were sent to me by EmilyNoel in PR, and I also received the sponge dry and the foundation sponge from Basic Beauty Tools. The winner of the Emily Edit Needs palettes is Sally Anderson, and she gets the sponge dry and the foundation sponge. The next winner is the winner of the Once palette that Emily created, and the winner is Marnie Causey. Marnie, I hope you're safe and sound, and both of you just leave a comment below and I will let you know how to get in touch with me. And I also want to mention I'm waiting to hear from Jody P. And if you're watching, Jody, just leave a comment below because I need you to contact me. You won something, and I know you watch almost all my videos, and I saved it for you. And you know, often I talk about cool colors and warm colors. Well, I'm naturally a cool tone person, and this is about as warm as I get. And I've had this for a while, but this is a Balm Stain from Wet n Wild, and it is really good. I can't wear their lipsticks, but their Balm Stains are good, and I think this is Ready, Set, Go. And I topped it with my new, I think it's a rose gold thing from Ulta, and I think it turned out really pretty. I like it, but this is about as warm as I will go. And today I used the Emily Needs palette, and this is, I guess, a face of the day. I'm not sure. And I used everything except this color right here in my look today. And it isn't early morning. I've already run some errands. And sometimes you guys ask me about, I bruise really easily. I'm on a lot of Coumadin, which is a blood thinner. So if you see bruises on me, don't worry. That's just the way I am. And I get my blood checked every month, and I'm right where I'm supposed to be. There's something I cannot believe. I never thought this would happen in a million years. But thanks to you, my family, and EmilyNoel, I am now a diamond status in Ulta. I bought so many of the EmilyNoel palettes, the Needs and the Wants, and I have given quite a few away on YouTube to my friends and to my family, that I bought so much that I am now diamond. And I'm embarrassed in a way, but I wasn't buying things for me. I did order a couple of things, and I'll show those in a future video, but they weren't big things. But I'll let you know what diamond status is like, because I will never make it again unless somebody else I love comes out with a palette that I really want to support. I truly love to do giveaways. The only thing I like to give away are things that I love. So this is going to be another giveaway, and I can't reply to comments, but if you leave a comment on any other video, I will get back to you. It just makes it a lot cleaner when I go to randomcommentpicker.com. And the winner, there's going to be 2 winners in this giveaway. And what I have a brush set that I really like a lot. In fact, here's what it looks like. I used these in my Get Ready With Me this morning. I didn't film it, but they're all Eco Tools, and they're an excellent brushes. But when you receive them, they're going to be packaged, they're going to be out of here, and they have a card with them that tells you how to use them for different looks, but it's just a lot less bulky for me to mail. Also, when I ordered quite a few more Needs, and I ordered some more Wants. And this was a gift with purchase from Makeup Revolution. I haven't opened it. So the winner will win this, some brushes, and the Emily's Needs palette. And to enter, all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel before it goes live. be 18 years old or older. It's international, and this will be live for 3 days because I love to announce who wins, you know. So to be entered in the comments below this video, all I want you to do is say my favorite song is, and tell me your favorite song, or tell me your favorite movie. One or the other, and I'll know that you'll be interested, and I'll just do the random comment picker.com and come up with a winner. I've had a lot of compliments on my filming area, and what it is, for anybody that wants to know, I just have 2 lamps with daylight light bulbs. And Mary from Glitzy Fritzy told me about the daylight bulbs. And I'm using my old iPhone to record in. And I do think that they're a lot clearer. I do want to get back out in my hall again sometime, but it's really easy. Like Jim's here and he is in the kitchen, and I can just come in here and not worry about anything. So this is just a short video with a purpose. I wanted to announce the winners, and I wanted to offer 2 more sets, gift sets for people. So it is all good. You guys have a great day, and I appreciate you a whole lot. And I can't help it. I love to do giveaways, and eventually, hopefully, everybody will win something sometime. And I'll see you in my next video. Take care. On my channel, and I've given